This is an example of one of our snapshot booklets. This is for maths. This is higher tier students, so it contains all of the information that's needed. We've got cut down versions for foundation level. The idea behind this is you open this up and you can see immediately that it covers all of the areas that you're going to be familiar with, and within each of those sections you can see we have neatly chunked it up into the topics that you'll be familiar with. So in terms of algebra, you've got formulae, laws of indices, factorising, quadratics, inequalities. It's all there. And the idea behind this is that this intends to, we'll move on a bit and we'll go and have a look. Here we go. Let's go into completing the square and solving quadratics, everybody's favourite. And so the idea behind this is providing a summary of the processes that you need to go through. And if you feel that you need a visual backup on this, then that is quite easily achieved by going to the App Store, downloading the Zappar app. And you can also go to the Google Play Store, and so you pull back and you can see here that immediately we've opened up an augmented reality experience. And so there are various options here. So for example, you can go for...
Okay, so bear with me as we go through this particular topic. So we're looking to complete the square and then use that information to solve quadratic. Now,
you can go to full screen.
Okay, so bear with me as we go through this particular topic. So we're looking to complete the square and then use that information to solve quadratic. Now, completing the square basically means that we need to change the square.
Or
basically means that we need to change the form of the quadratic.
A very popular option is to be able to download the videos as well. So if you want to sort of keep in the zone when you're working through algebra, I guess somebody who's working in quite a smart way would download each of those videos so they've got it on their phone and they can watch it at any time. We also have various things within here, so you can see you can access a worksheet if you wanted to do some paper-based applications, and that also has some answers attaching to that. In addition to that, we also give you access to various tests to go through. And so if we go through onto this, bit of a tricky subject, but you can see how our visual approach really works well in these questions. So to start with, you can see we're giving you I won't fill in all of this because it's going to take me a bit too long. It's just trying to train you in the right process at that stage, and what you know is that you've got a feedback video after each of those questions. So if we take that to full screen, so the key thing here is it's not only telling you what the right answer is, but it's always going through the right technique, which is going to be crucial when it comes to exams. That is pretty much what you would find within a particular course page. You can look at some extra videos. You can also look at some exam technique if you wanted to. But the key thing then is if we come back to the start of algebra, what you can do at this point is we can actually scan this particular page, which is going to give you access to all of the videos in that section. And so if you wanted to go straight to linear equations like that,
linear equation. Now the first thing you may be asked to do,
you can come away from that and you can go straight to inequalities.
So here we're going to be looking at inequalities. Now the first thing to remember about
come back and you can go to, what are we going to here?
Let's expand on this topic a little bit further. So initially, let's look at expanding single bracket. Now,
so all really useful, and of course you can download these videos. So in effect you could create an own version of that within your own gallery on your phone so that you can view these videos at any time. Now, never more than about 3 minutes, and the aim is to really just remind you of the key things. Absolutely invaluable. And that is in effect it. There you go.